guys! Hello, hello, hello. Good evening. It's 7 o'clock in the evening here in Denmark, but it still have, sun outside. See? Mainit pa rin. May araw pa rin. Ayan. Ayan siya. O, diba? Nandito na naman ako sa Denmark! Dito ako sa bahay. Ayan. Diba? Ayun. Pero ang ganda ng araw ngayon. I've been outside, but I'm not feel good. That's why I need to go home early. But, tomorrow I will visit Tuyen, my friend, Vietnamese friend. I hope that she's there in her restaurant tomorrow. So I will go there again. But this time I need to stay home because, yung lalamunan ko, I feel a little bit different. I have a cough. I feel a little bit bad. But here I am. I'm still waiting to my daughter's coming. I hope that she can come this week. Ito ang bahay ngayon. Inayos ko ulit. But, sorry. There's a lot of, a little bit mess. Pero inayos ko na siya at okay na. Kaya yun. Back to work again. Again and again. I'm happy to be home. It's nice to be here again in Denmark. See you soon, Tuyen. Hi. At sa mga subscribers ko, thank you nga pala to watch all my video. Have a nice evening and continue to be a good life. Happy life and enjoy life together with your friends and family. God bless you all, guys. And I hope that you have a nice day. Bye! See you soon and thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channels. Thank you guys. Bye.